Hello everyone. In this video we'll be seeing the sights and history of the town of Swords in northern Dublin County. If you found this video through a Facebook link, you can definitely share it. What will help me most is subscribing to my YouTube channel. Swords was established in 560 AD and was larger than Dublin before the Vikings came. Population is 37,000. Which is greater than the county of Leitrim. This makes Swords the 7th largest town by population in Ireland. It's located 10 kilometers from Dublin city centre and less than 5 kilometers from the airport. This does cause some issues for me, as there is a 5-kilometer radius around the airport where they do not allow drones to fly. As you can see on the map, the blue area is where the drone can't fly, and this covers most of Swords. So in this video, you will not see a lot of the drone footage that you will see in my other videos. You can find St. Columba's Well, which is located on Well Road, right off the main street in Swords. As the story goes, this is where the saint came to this town and blessed the well back in 560 AD. The water is said to have great healing powers. St. Columba was also known as St. Columba. The current St. Columba's Church sits on the same grounds as the original monastery founded by St. Columba in the year 560. The current church was built in 1880 at a cost of £2,500. It was built on the foundation of the previous church. The round tower is said to have been built in the 9th century. It was built for protection from the Vikings and other invaders. It is 26 meters tall. The walls are just under 2 meters thick. The cross on top of the tower was put there in the 17th century to let people know that it was a Christian tower. The square tower, or clock tower today, dates back to the 14th century. On a clear day, you can see 4 surrounding counties of Dublin from the top of this tower. About 1 mile northwest of the round tower sits Glasmore Abbey. It was founded by St. Cronin in 660 AD. The ruins today sit between 2 residential estates. Sword Castle was built around 1200. It was built as a residence manor for the first Anglo-Norman Archbishop of Dublin, John Comyn. The castle was not built from a military perspective. It does have a very large perimeter wall of about 305 meters, which encloses about 1.5 acres of land. This castle was used during the production of The Tudors, the HBO show. The castle is open to the public, and it is undergoing a restoration project. Lissone Bridge is in the northern part of town. It is a 5-arch bridge that is believed to be built in around 1500. It is the oldest surviving road bridge within 15 miles of Dublin city centre. It was taken out of service in the 1970s as other roads were built around this. This building, with the thatched roof, was Lord Mayor's Pub, previously known as O'Toole's. This was a pub that was in existence for over 350 years. Unfortunately, it shut down in 2019. Some of the buildings at the Old Vicarage apartments date back to the 1700s. The Old Borough National School opened in February of 1809. It was designed by Francis Johnston and was a total cost of £1,800. The first schoolmaster and mistress appointed had an annual salary of £100. The school was closed in 2000 and converted to a pub. The courthouse was designed by Alexander Tate. It is located on North Street and was built in the late 1840s. The old schoolhouse pub and restaurant is located on the Well Road. This building was originally a Protestant boarding school for boys in the 19th century. About 15 to 20 years ago, it was converted to a pub. Swords has one of the 66 Carnegie Libraries that were built in Ireland based on the donation of Andrew Carnegie. Swords is a great city with a lot of history. It also has large shopping centers and big outdoor parks. Here's a panoramic view of the city itself. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe if you like videos with similar content. Thank you.